my father knows na I can decide on my own. I have my own programs. He's just a special advisor. Hindi naman siya na appointed lang siya. And nag-guide siya sa direction. But mostly, he wants me to develop my own brand. So we focus now for the past 100 days, we have created 42 new programs, and we focus people-centered programs, no, focusing on health, education, and livelihood. And my dad wants me to make a different brand on my own kasi syempre iba rin siya, iba rin ako, and then I want to be known na mas more on people-centered talaga yung kailangan ngayon. Kasi if you've been to Iloilo, it was Mayor Jerry who helped build the Iloilo Miracle, so what they call now, no? The new developments, we have new plazas, we have new markets. So yung mga big projects, it's his brand, but he wants me to create also my brand.